Do you ever feel like your mornings decide your whole day?
Yes. If my morning starts late and messy, everything feels wrong. But when I start strong, my day feels great.
Welcome back to Simple English Space. I'm Anna.
And I'm Liam. Today, we're going to talk about something that sounds simple, but actually changes your life, your morning routine.
That's right. The way you start your morning affects how you think, how you feel, and even how you speak English during the day.
Exactly. We'll share vocabulary, phrases, a fun example conversation, and of course, tips and motivation to help you build a great morning habit.
So let's begin. When you wake up in the morning, what's the first thing you do, Liam?
Honestly, I used to check my phone, but now I try to drink water first and take a few deep breaths. It helps me feel calm before the rush begins.
That's a good one. You see, small habits make a big difference. Even 5 minutes of peace in the morning can improve your whole day.
True. In speaking English learners, your morning is also a perfect time to practice speaking English.
Oh, yes, you can talk to yourself. For example, I wake up at 6. I brush my teeth. I make breakfast. Simple sentences, but they build fluency.
Right. You don't need a teacher. You just need a routine and consistency.
Let's do a short example. Imagine two friends talking about their morning routines.
Hey Sarah, what time do you usually wake up?
Around 6:30. I like to stretch a little before getting out of bed. How about you?
I wake up at 7, but I always feel tired.
Maybe you go to bed too late. Do you eat breakfast?
Not really. I just drink coffee and rush to work.
That's why you feel tired. You should eat something healthy.
You're right. Maybe I'll try oatmeal tomorrow.
Great idea. It's quick and gives you energy.
Thanks, Sarah. I'll try to make mornings better.
Good. Small changes make a big difference.
That's such a natural and easy conversation.
Yes, and it's full of everyday expressions. Wake up, get out of bed, eat breakfast, rush to work, feel tired.
Exactly. You can use these every morning when describing your day.
Now, let's talk about morning motivation. Many people say, I'm not a morning person.
I hear that a lot, but you don't need to wake up at 5 a.m. You just need a routine that gives you energy, focus, and peace.
Yes, your morning should be something you look forward to. For example, a cup of tea, a short walk, writing in your journal, listening to English podcasts like this one.
Nice plug, Anna.
Of course, because learning English can fit anywhere, even in your morning habits.
Let's share a few easy tips that anyone can try. Tip 1. Prepare the night before.
If you prepare your clothes, bag, or breakfast at night, your morning becomes calmer.
Tip 2. Avoid your phone for the first 15 minutes.
That's right. Don't start your day with stress from social media or messages. Start with yourself.
Tip 3. Move your body.
Stretch, walk, or dance. anything that wakes your body.
Tip 4. Eat something healthy.
Food gives energy. Even a banana or a slice of bread is better than skipping breakfast.
Tip 5. Say something positive.
For example, today will be a good day. Words shape your thoughts, and thoughts shape your day.
Let's learn 5 new words from today's topic. 1. Alarm clock. The thing that wakes you up in the morning. Example, my alarm clock rings at 6.
2. Stretch. To move your body to loosen your muscles. Example, I stretch my arms after waking up.
3. Shower. When you wash your body with water. Example, I take a shower before breakfast.
4. Breakfast. The first meal of the day. Example, breakfast gives me energy.
5. Commute. To travel from home to school or work. Example, I commute by bus every morning.
Let's help our listeners reflect with some questions.
1. Why is a morning routine important?
Because it sets the tone for your whole day. If you start calm and organized, you stay focused and productive. It's not about being perfect, it's about starting with intention.
2. What if I always wake up late?
Don't worry. Start small. Wake up 10 minutes earlier than usual. Use that time for something you enjoy, like listening to music or stretching. Small progress is still progress.
3. How can I use English in my morning routine?
Easy. Narrate your actions in English. Say, I brush my hair. I open the window. I make coffee. This simple speaking habit trains your brain naturally.
4. How do I stay consistent?
Make it easy. Keep your alarm far from your bed, so you have to stand up to stop it. Create a playlist of songs you love for motivation.
5. What if I miss one day?
Don't feel guilty. One bad day doesn't ruin your routine. Start again tomorrow. The secret is not perfection, it's persistence.
I love that word, persistence. It means never giving up even when it's hard.
Exactly. Remember, learning English is also about persistence. You don't have to study for hours every morning. Even 10 minutes of English practice daily builds huge improvement over time.
And your morning is the perfect time to do it before life gets busy.
Let's talk about mindset. Many people say, I don't have time. But the truth is, we make time for what matters.
Yes, if you watch videos or scroll social media for 30 minutes, you do have time. You're just giving it to something else.
Exactly. Use that time to improve yourself. Read an English sentence. Listen to a short podcast. Write your goals.
And remember, success starts with small habits. Morning is your first chance to say, I'm in control.
Beautifully said, Liam. Let's repeat some morning affirmations together. Ready?
Ready.
I wake up with energy.
I'm grateful for a new day.
I take care of my body and my mind.
I learn something new every day.
I can speak English with confidence.
Wonderful. Repeat them every morning and your day will feel lighter.
Liam, what do you think is the biggest mistake people make in the morning?
I'd say rushing. People wake up late, skip breakfast, and run out the door. That creates stress.
True. And stress affects language learning too. When you're stressed, your brain can't focus.
So slow down. Even 5 minutes of calm breathing helps.
Yes. And remember, every good day starts with a peaceful morning.
Now let's test what our listeners learned today.
Question 1. What does stretch mean? A. To eat breakfast. B. To move your body to loosen muscles. Answer B. To move your body to loosen muscles.
Question 2. What should you do before checking your phone? A. Take a deep breath or drink water. B. Watch TV. Answer A. Take a deep breath or drink water.
Question 3. What is the first meal of the day called? A. Lunch. B. Breakfast. Answer B. Breakfast.
Question 4. What is one easy way to practice English in the morning? A. Talk to yourself about what you're doing. B. Stay silent until noon. Answer A. Talk to yourself about what you're doing.
Question 5. What is the key to success in building a morning routine? A. Being perfect every day. B. Being consistent and persistent. Answer B. Being consistent and persistent. Great job, everyone. You're doing amazing.
Yes, if you're listening right now, it means you're already taking a step to improve your English and maybe your life too.
Remember, don't compare your morning with others. Your routine should fit you. Some people pray or meditate, others exercise or journal. Do what gives you peace.
That's true. The most powerful thing you can do is start your day with intention.
I like that word, intention. It means doing something on purpose, not just reacting to life.
Yes, and once you do that, every morning becomes a chance to grow. Physically, mentally, and in your English skills.
So, listeners, tomorrow morning, when your alarm rings, don't hit snooze. Smile, get up, and say one thing you're grateful for.
Then say one sentence in English. It could be as simple as, I'm ready for today.
Yes, let your morning be your motivation, not your stress.
Because the secret to success is simple. Win your morning, and you win your day.
And that's also the secret to learning English. Small, daily victories.
Exactly.
Wow, that was such an inspiring talk, Liam. I hope everyone learned how small morning habits can really change your day and even help you speak English better.
Absolutely. Now let's reflect a bit. What's one small thing you'll do tomorrow morning to make your day better? Think about it and share your answer in the comments.
And here's something to look forward to. In our next episode, we'll talk about how to stay motivated when learning English gets hard. You don't want to miss it.
Thanks for joining us today on Simple English Space.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you don't miss other videos.